Today I share some cooking experience with you, which is very simple but delicious. Look, this is the chicken wing today I have for lunch with some Chinese leaf. This is the Chinese leaf, and in the middle, can you see the black one is shiitake mushroom, which is very, very good for your health. Now this is a bowl of boiled rice, which because I'm using the rice cooker for chicken, so I have to cook with my steamer, which is very simple as well. And this is my green Japanese shencha, which I use as a regular drink. Beside, I drink all other teas for a change. And so, how this cooked chicken become like this is simple. So first of all, we need the basic sauces for Chinese cooking. So if you like Chinese food and you want to try it at home, I would say you first of all you get some soy sauce from the supermarket, which in UK Tesco's have good Hong Kong made Lee King Kee, or most of supermarket have Japanese, which is more expensive but it's supposed to be more natural. So we have light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is salty and it will give the food a kind of salty taste, but not much color. But also we have this dark soy sauce, which is give food more brown color and kind of sweet side of taste. Then another basic sauce for easy Chinese cooking is oyster sauce, which make the meat very tasty. Also to vegetables. And one day I'll show you how to stir fry broccoli, which is not kind of vegetable, it's good with taste. But I found it goes really well with a little bit of minced garlic and oyster sauce, that it makes the broccoli really tasty, that you can eat it. Salt, of course, we need. And also in this chicken, it's better to put some honey. And that I found is make the chicken is very, very tender, and the color it goes kind of is shining a little bit. This chicken we need to marinate it first, and we need some ginger, spring onion, which I use the top, which is better. In this case, and also some Chinese leaf, which you can also get from all major supermarkets. Really, they're not expensive, £1.20, £1.50, and this is very, very good vegetable for your health. Even though it regarded a long time ago in China as a vegetable for poor people, it's very, very cheap. But it's nowadays people go back to the basic life, which is found it is very good for your health. You can eat all year round, which is no problem. And then now, so what I did was I used a bowl and I put sliced ginger there, and put some spring onion there, and I washed the chicken wing, and then put the chicken wing inside the bowl. And then I put a big spoon of dark soy sauce, big spoon of light soy sauce, and big spoon of oyster sauce. And some salt, because overtaking salt is not good for your health, but a little bit is good for your health. Put some salt in, and I'll put about 2 spoons of honey inside. Then what I did, you can put your wash-up gloves and you really gently massage them and make the sauce go even and go to every single pieces of the chicken wings. And then what you do, you put in the fridge, marinate it for overnight is better. If not, 1 hour is enough. Yeah. So afterwards, what you do, you put, for instance, you slice of this Chinese leaf. So this is my rice cooker, is very, very basic ones, only have function for rice. And what you do, you put this on the bottom, then you put more, which is cover all the area of the bottom of the rice cooker, which make it kind of non-sticky. Also, the vegetable get cooked very tasty, and you have both vegetable and chicken in the end. Then you put all the chicken from the bowl with plus all the sauces inside you used and all inside, and then you, of course, you cover it, and then you just press down, cook, and then just let it cook. So we'll get back when it's cooked, become warm. I would suggest in this case we switch off the whole thing when it's become cooked. Otherwise, it could get burnt a little bit, which it did in this case. You can see the burn inside. And it takes about 25 minutes. So afterwards, you see the light from cook become warm, and then you just take them out. And now look, this. How's the chicken in the end? I'm going to enjoy it in a minute. To cook rice, I use sushi rice, which I found is the best, rather than fraction rice or tried everything, but I stick on my sushi rice now, which is a little bit expensive with Japanese food regarded as very, very good. It's also very similar to northern Chinese rice. So what I did was I put rice in the bowl, as much as you need. Then you wash them 3 times or rinse them 3 times. Even though sushi rice you don't have to, but sometimes some sushi rice you find the water is still quite thick when you wash it. And then you put, how much water you should put in is about 2 inches above the rice. That's all you need. And then what I did, I just put them in the steamer. Look, my steamer. And of course you put water inside, and then you put the bowl there, because I found cooking in the bowl is easier, because if you cook in the saucepans, many people do, it gets sticky everywhere in the pan. It's more difficult to wash, and in the end of the day, you have to use them in the place or bowl anyway. So I cook directly, and in the bowl. So then you just cook it in the cooker to almost maximum, little bit under maximum, but over medium. And cook them about, put cold water inside, which take you about 20 minutes. But you check it, because it's not automatic, you check it before you decide you stop the cooking. And then, so the rice, now look, our rice is becoming like that. So I tasted it, and it was good, fluffy, but not too soft and not too hard. So, and that's how we've been told how much water you put in. It's always above 2 inches above the rice. And how much, I almost filled the bowl with rice, just left 2 inches for the water. That's how much you get afterwards. So now let's enjoy the healthy food. If you want to eat more vegetables, you could put more Chinese leaf, chop them like they chop them, and put on the top when you cook, put on the top of the chicken, and that case you have more vegetables, which I will do next time. This time I don't feel that I have enough vegetables because I like eating vegetables that are good for health. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I just started to make a video on my own, so it's quite hard for me to start with, but I'm learning. I want to provide better videos as time goes by, and thank you very much. Hope you support me. Bon appetit.